Hey guys, today I will show you to hear that noise on my DVD player. It's called the Toshiba DVD video player SD4980. It's real weird noise. It does the DVDs just spin. It does vibration here. Let's take a look in the inside to see how it vibrates. As you can see, I got my disc right here. It's gonna vibrate. It has a vibration, looks pretty good. When it makes it spin, it does vibrate. Like a carful. See at the inside of the video, it just spins. Which we don't push the laser thing. That's the noise it's making for the Toshiba DVD player. It also plays. Oh, sorry. Also plays DVD video. Dolby Digital, compact disc digital video, and also there was a DHs digital out. But sometimes it looks at DHs digital out, looks pretty good DVD player. We can hear that static come from, that's the noise it does the DVD part. It makes that weird noise. Listen to that noise one more time. See? That's what happens to that noise. On this DVD player, it actually totally works. If the machine will not shock that motherboard. It's just spins on the inside of it. You see that? That's what happens to the DVD player. So, we should always be careful the ways it out. It's a class 1 wafer product. It uses that power source right there and the main board, and Michigan don't shock the power source in the big board too. Because that was Lockwood for this DVD player. If you turn it off, it should stun the noise. It should stand like the laptop. See, it stops spinning when the power is off. If I switch to off, it does a power cord switched off because the DVD player makes a little noise when it shuts down the DVD. It makes the DVD player makes that weird noise. It does the DVD player makes that weird noise. It does that. And we have the intercooler disc in here, and that would be it for now. I hope you like this video. You can make comments, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Hope you take care of it. Thank you guys. Take care of it.